As you may have seen, Google is soon ending support on Google Jamboard within Google Workspace and across Google as a platform. From the end of this year, you will no longer be able to access Jamboard files from Google or anywhere within Google Workspace. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export the Jamboard files that you want to keep. First of all, there are two options for how you can export your Jamboard files. If you only want an individual frame from a Jamboard, then all you need to do is move to the ellipsis menu in the top right corner, click it, and click Save Frame as Image. Once you do this, it will download the Jam frame as a PNG image. Do note though that this is only for this particular frame. If you want to download the entire Jam, you can do so by once again clicking on this ellipsis menu and downloading as a PDF. You can also perform this PDF download from our main page here as well. If you have a lot of Jamboard files that you want to download at the same time, an easier way to do this can be through Google Drive. All you need to do is type jam, and then it will bring up all of your Jamboard files, in which case you can select multiple by holding Control or the Apple key on a Mac device, and then downloading all. This will download these files as PDFs too. Going forward, Google has suggested several replacement apps for Jamboard within your Google Workspace environment. These include Figma, LucidSpark, and Miro. Do note that you will need input from your admin before deciding which one of these to install, and we will be bringing out videos going through the advantages and disadvantages of each in the coming weeks.